Esragan, the brave girl who saved Osman Bey. A new character was introduced, Esragan. She was the foster daughter of Ghazan Khan, one of the most powerful Mongol rulers. Esragan was raised with Mongol traditions, and she remained deeply loyal to her father figure, Ghazan Khan. Even though she came from a very different background than Osman Bey, her role in the story became extremely important. Who was Esragan? Esragan was not a warrior or a leader in the traditional sense, but she was smart, brave, and had a strong heart. She understood politics and the power of truth. Even though she was surrounded by people like Esmahan Sultan and Nayman, who had cruel plans against Osman Bey, she chose the path of justice and truth. She deeply respected Ghazan Khan and always wanted to follow his ideals. She believed in peace, loyalty, and fairness. That's why, when she discovered Esmahan Sultan's evil plan to kill Osman Bey, she decided to stop it, even though it meant risking her own life. The evil plan of Esmahan Sultan. Esmahan Sultan, the daughter of the Seljuk Sultan, wanted to destroy Osman Bey. She was working with Nayman, a ruthless Mongol commander who hated Osman. Esmahan feared that Osman was becoming too powerful and might challenge her authority in Konya. So, she made a secret plan with Nayman to kill Osman Bey. They captured Osman. They chained him. He was waiting to be executed. They believed they had won, and Osman's rule would soon be over. How Esragan saved Osman Bey. At that moment, Esragan stepped forward. She stood tall in front of Esmahan Sultan and Nayman and stopped them from killing Osman Bey. Everyone was shocked. A girl from the Mongol side? Someone raised under Ghazan Khan? And now she was defending Osman Bey? Then, Esragan spoke, boldly, powerfully, fearlessly. You all obey Ghazan Khan, don't you? Then listen carefully. Osman Bey is Ghazan Khan's best friend. He is like a brother to him. Killing Osman means going against Ghazan Khan's will. And all of Konya belongs to Ghazan Khan. These words stunned the room. Esmahan Sultan and Nayman didn't expect that. They knew, if Osman was truly Ghazan Khan's friend, then killing him would be an act of betrayal. And no one dared disobey Ghazan Khan. Esragan continued, if you dare touch Osman Bey, you will be disobeying Ghazan Khan himself. Do you want to face his punishment? Her powerful words forced everyone to step back. Nayman was furious, but he couldn't risk angering Ghazan Khan. Esmahan Sultan? She was silent, shocked, and embarrassed. Osman Bey, though chained and wounded, watched quietly. A brave girl had just saved his life, not with weapons, but with wisdom and courage. Why she defended Osman Bey. Esragan didn't protect Osman Bey only because of Ghazan Khan. She had seen Osman's character, his honesty, his leadership, his love for justice. She knew Osman wasn't a threat to the empire. He was its true protector. She said, Osman fights for truth. He does not lie. He does not break promises. He does not run from battles. He is a real leader. That's why Ghazan Khan respects him. These words touched many hearts. Even Osman's enemies began to doubt their own choices. Esragan had spoken the truth, and her bravery left a deep impact. The result of her actions. Because of Esragan, Osman Bey's life was spared. He wasn't executed. Later, he escaped and continued his mission to build a strong, independent state. Esragan became a symbol of courage and loyalty. She wasn't from the Kei tribe. She wasn't even Turkish. But she stood for justice. She proved that, sometimes, one voice can stop an army. One person can change the world. Conclusion: a heroine who chose truth over fear. Esragan may not have fought with a sword, but her words? Sharper than any blade. She stood up to powerful enemies. She saved a hero. She reminded the world that Ghazan Khan respected Osman Bey. And she made it clear, killing Osman would be a terrible mistake. Her actions changed the course of Season 4. She defended justice. She challenged evil. And she showed that true loyalty lies in doing what's right, even when it's dangerous.